Gracias por quedarse y seguir con nosotros y disfrutar de este concurso.
Detrás de mí andaba de amor.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. And today, guys, we actually start the vlog with the DJI. Porque el Compa Monkey trae mi memory card. You all know Compa Monkey is our editor for the vlog. So yeah, guys, we're actually at the car wash right now. Let me flip this over. Mira, we got Pantera, but it did rain yesterday, so there's a lot of dirt on it. Yo traigo aquí corre, güey. Ya me compras snacks. El vato quiere robar coras de aquí. Yo traigo, güey, no traigo quarters. So yeah, guys, pop some quarters in the machine. Give the Pantera a little wash. Get that dirt off. And we're off to the car show at the Palmview High School con toda la chavalada. Let's go. Yeah, I want to give a few shout outs. Compa Toto. Compa Toto is the guy that washes my vehicles. Y el vato se saca la daga. So we always call Mr. Toto. But we knew it was going to rain. We knew it was going to be cloudy. We knew it was going to be rainy. Today actually isn't raining. That was yesterday, so that's a badass thing. Mostly all the machines here do not have a spot-free rinse. I don't want to put soap on it because it doesn't need it. So we have to move to another bay where I can see if it says spot-free rinse because the rest don't have it. So yeah, guys, pop some quarters in this hole. Damn, right on the money. Ahí está, güey, ya está en spot free. Yeah. Ahorita arranca, ahorita arranca. Sí, está jodido este pedo. God damn, Palmview. I need a brand new. Sí, güey. Ojalá. Si no, pueden rinse. Ahora. There we go.
¿Puedo rinse mal?
Sí, fuck it, let's rinse it. Ni modo. Vale. Una mala tierrita, güey. We should have a ceramic coat on it, so it actually, I can see it. I can see how the water's hanging on to it. So yeah, guys, this is la Panterona. It's just clone on the sleeve, and I need to build me another one already. I need to build me another one. Yo tenía gamuza, güey, no me la traje, I forgot. Like always, we're always late. We're not always late. The show starts at 4. They did tell us for us to set up from 12 to 2, and it's already 2:15, so we're a little late. A ver, pues, vamos a ver. Spot free rinse? Nah, trash. Yo tenía gamuza, güey, pero pues ahí está en la casa bien padre la gamuza. Mira, aquí le faltó, güey. Fíjate, como tiene ceramic coat, you kind of see donde no le pega el agua, era.
Y no, ahorita que como ya muy montito.
No, entre más resolada, más abuela, güey, está con cara. Sí, 100 miles an hour. Let's go. Sí, güey, ya. So yeah, guys, on our way to the car show. So yeah, guys, today we're actually stopping by the Palmview Lobos auto show. I think that's what it's called. They do it every year, and we always like to support the community. You know, this is the future of the truck community, the car community, the automotive industry community. This is the future, so we always like to participate in these type of events. And from what I know, the kids are the ones that actually put everything together, all the flyers, all the registrations, the vendors. though the kids is a group of kids, and they are the ones that take care of everything, which is a badass thing because they are learning that side of the business. Well, you never know, it could be making one of those badass shows in the near future. But yeah, guys, we always like to support the local community. They've been doing this car show for like a long time. I remember they used to do it over there in La Jolla. I remember going to the first ever car show over there in La Jolla. We've been, supporting them ever since. Like I said, we like to do this for the community. It doesn't take any time from us. We love doing this stuff, so we're dropping in today. We're gonna be giving away some merch. We do have a couple of hats and some lanyards and decals and stuff like that. All they gotta do is subscribe to the channel. If they're subscribed to the channel, then they already have the prize. Showing a little bit of our appreciation towards the community here in the RGV. We've been here for a long time. We try to get Pantera washed, but unfortunately, the machinery there at that car wash is just not working. Like I did say, we did have a little bit of rain yesterday and it sucked. I should have put Pantera in the trailer, in the merch trailer. And I was actually thinking of bringing the merch trailer, but it's a big ass trailer, and there is space, but it's too much to bring out for this type of event, and we're not actually selling anything at the show. We always, every show we do, we always give stuff away. Because, man, they're students, and, back in the day when I was a student, I didn't have that much money, so, I'm not saying you don't have money, but I'm saying, we like to help out the community. It is what it is. So, yeah, we're about to pull up to the car show. We'll see who is out here and what kind of trucks I can get you guys to see. And after this, we're going to transition into my camera, because this is the DJI, and I actually like it. I'm gonna check out the video, see how it looks, and if it looks, I think I'm gonna start vlogging with this DJI, because this thing is just super portable. It's badass. I like it. But yeah, we'll see about that. But yeah, guys, we're about to pull up to the car show. We'll see who is here. So, let's go. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. Por fin quitamos la música, so we don't want no copyright strikes in our video. But yeah, guys, we're at the car show. It's pretty much packed up. It's a little damn cold, but yeah, we're enjoying it. We're giving away free decals, lanyards, the Race So Hard lanyards. These haven't been on the website, but they will be soon. Decals and stuff. But yeah, guys, we're posted at the show. We'll catch some videos right now, give the awards and everything, so stay tuned for that.
Y'all subscribe to RGV Trucks?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Oh, you subscribe? Yeah. No, bonus.
Sa huevo, troquita.
Ahora.
Oh, estaban bien bañados.
25 horas cada que, órale.
Ya está.
¿Quieres ir también o no?
That's the black one.
Yeah, this one.
Can I have that one? I already have this one.
Paquete completo.
¿No quieren ir algo para el Chano, guys?
What's up?
¿No quieren decir algo para el Chano?
What's up? Shout out to my
What's up,
teacher next year.
Palmview High School, best high school in the valley, obviously, and best trucks in the valley also.
That's true.
RGV trucks.
That's true.
Oh.
Subscribe. That's got backup, bro.
Thank you.
Ya está grande. So we got here the best of show, guys, and all the awards that we're gonna be giving away here at the car show. We always do this every year.
Vamos a darle a la camioneta de aquel lado, la camioneta negra. Ustedes suben el volumen. Que se escuche, que se escuche. poquito ya tu volumen para que la gente vuelva a escuchar tu sonido.
Cuando niño chica, siempre decía, siempre hablaba de la
Ya nomás.
Les recuerdo que por acá,
Bitch is loud.
izquierda, están checando la presión arterial totalmente gratis. Los estudiantes de aquí de esta escuela y el control de la glucosa para...
Hasta la first round.
First round of the limbo y siempre lo hacen. Me acuerdo que last year, no fue este year que lo hicieron. Estaba ardiendo, vato. También estaba calentando. It was hot. Now it's cold. Y nunca estamos a gustos. Está muy caliente, está muy caliente. Está muy frío, está muy frío. Nunca estamos a gustos. Pero yeah, guys, this is a little bit of the car show here at Lobos. Again, this car show is put up by the kids here at this high school. So we always like to support the kids. We already dimos todos los stickers that way.
Ya, dimos todo.
We already gave all the decals that we had. So yeah, I mean it's just for the kids, man, and really make memories when I was in school, pero pues no había este jale. Cuando estaba en la escuela no había este jale. Entonces ya la tiene un poquito más facilona a los chavalones. Y'all should take advantage of this. Porque cuando estamos en la escuelita no había nada, güey. Pues, no había nada de nada. Mira.
¿Qué pasó aquí? ¿Dieron todo este lado, no?
No, es que está
Sí.
fucked up, güey, la ventana.
No, digo, o sea, ahora dieron el otro lado.
Sí, pues para darle chance a todo.
Besito. Este limbo, o sea, está padre. Es el más
Voltea la
largo.
cámara. Voltea la cámara y hable, cabrón. ¿Está en la cámara y habla?
Este limbo es el mejor.
O sea, todos los chavalones, güey, they look forward for the limbo. Everybody, they look forward for the limbo. ¿Verdad? Es una tradition que siempre han hecho, and they look forward for the limbo. Y son bastantes, güey. Son bastantes. So, the limbo, para los que no saben, muchos sí saben, pero for viewers que no saben, es el traditional limbo que hacen everywhere. Es un poste. Y cada vez que vas pasando lo van bajando más, y lo van bajando más, y lo van bajando más, y ya así topas por your route. You're out. So that's the limbo, that's how they do it. Y al último pues queda el final, que es el winner, y los second place, bueno, runner up, dice runner up y los third place. So we have 3 awards for 3 winners que ganen el limbo. But yeah, every time you go by, se va yendo más para abajo, hasta que ya no puede. Este es más que nomás 3 veces da, and that's it.
Sí, la primera, la segunda.
Sí, la primera, la segunda, la tercera, ya la tercera ya no puede. Ya está. Pero no está rompando. I know they kicked out someone already, but I'm not going to pronounce. Again, it's a school property. You gotta respect it. The first thing they tell you. You don't abide by the rules, then you are out. We all gotta play part on this. Y hay eventos donde puede ser pronounced, that's all. No lo hagas aquí. Don't give bad names to the people, to the kids that actually put the show together.
Que para casi todo el año, ¿verdad?
Yo de hecho también andaba allá con la carne. No quiero darle todo el map, pero mírate esta güey.
Sí, está.
Square body, 4-door, it's crazy. Bien rare to see those. Bien rare para ver esas. pasado era el limbo y luego te ibas por un parking lot, te daba la vuelta and that was it. Pero ahora, I guess, since it's a lot of people,
Sí, pues todo el mundo.
tienen que hacer la vuelta más larga. That way everybody gets a chance to go to the limbo. Y aquel que va enfrente es el leader, so you gotta follow the leader. Mira, un carrito.
Con la
un
nariz.
reindeer.
Con la nariz de Rudo.
Ahí tienes una chuchera atrás tirada, man.
Hey.
We're fixing up getting that OBS up and running soon. It's either the kilo, the OBS, you know what I mean? So, we don't know what to do. We actually have to do the interior on this one. We gotta fix this shit, it's all saggy. We gotta put some custom seats, maybe a custom center console, un sistemín.
El logo en los headliners.
Logo on the headrest. So yeah, we got a couple of things that we want to do. We have been extremely busy with work. Pero hay tiempo. El tiempo y chance. Just gotta do it little by little. But of course, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel. That way you know when we are doing the upgrades to our trucks.
Everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way.
Hey, so what's going on, guys? Right now we're doing the Troquita Limbo. It's a tradition that we do every year. You can see some cars tonight. We had some rain, so we're letting everybody come in. But it's something specialized for the trocas. Your RGB, Troquita. So yeah. Every time we have a specific truck, it's about to get here. As soon as that truck comes by, every time, él es el líder. So once he's here, that's when we lower the bar. That's what you're witnessing right now. So we get to go around and cruise, and we're starting to see a different level in the bar. Yeah, every time. Yeah. So until we have the lowest truck at the end, Yeah, awesome. Hey, thanks for being here. Thanks for supporting, dude. And always being a sponsor for the kids and supporter for the kids, man. It's our area, it's our community. So thanks for being here, man. Yeah.
So yeah, guys, that's it. That's it for this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. The show was badass. It was bigger than last year. Bigger than the last one. It was this year. We keep saying last year, but no, it was this year. It's way bigger, more attendance, more cars, more trucks, more participants. And but yeah, guys, that's it. It's gonna be for this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Catch us on the next one.